The BMW 530i xDrive mild hybrid is a standout model in BMW's 2026 5 Series lineup, offering a perfect balance of performance, advanced technology, and luxury. It combines BMW's signature driving dynamics with improved fuel efficiency and modern comfort, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts who want a sporty yet practical luxury sedan. At the heart of the 530i xDrive lies a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This setup is designed to optimize both power output and fuel economy. The turbocharged engine alone delivers a robust 255 horsepower and 295 pound-foot of torque, which is plenty for smooth, confident acceleration and dynamic driving on both city roads and highways. The mild hybrid system supports the engine by providing an extra boost during acceleration, enabling the car to perform with more responsiveness and lower emissions. It also powers the vehicle's start-stop system, ensuring seamless engine restarts and reducing fuel consumption when idling in traffic or at signals. The powertrain is paired with BMW's advanced xDrive all-wheel drive system, which enhances traction and stability in a variety of weather and road conditions. This system intelligently distributes power between the front and rear wheels to ensure maximum grip, making the 530i xDrive safe and composed whether driving on wet roads, snow, or dry pavement. The smooth and precise 8-speed automatic transmission complements the engine and AWD system perfectly, delivering quick and efficient gear changes for a refined driving experience. One of the key aspects of the 530i xDrive is its driving dynamics. BMW has long been known for its ultimate driving machine philosophy, and this model upholds that reputation with sharp steering, balanced handling, and a suspension tuned to provide both comfort and agility. The 530i xDrive feels composed around corners, yet comfortable during long highway drives. Optional adaptive suspension and variable sports steering allow drivers to tailor the ride and steering feel to their preferences, enhancing the car's versatility. Inside, the 530i xDrive's cabin combines luxury and cutting-edge technology in a sleek, modern design. The dashboard features BMW's latest curved display setup, which includes a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster directly in front of the driver and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen. These displays run BMW's iDrive X operating system, a highly intuitive and user-friendly interface that supports multi-touch gestures, voice commands, and even AI-based assistance. The system offers over-the-air software updates to keep the infotainment and vehicle systems current without needing a dealership visit. It also seamlessly integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing for effortless smartphone connectivity. Materials inside the cabin are of premium quality, with soft-touch plastics, leather, and optional Vaganza synthetic leather upholstery that offers a sustainable alternative to traditional leather without compromising on luxury or comfort. Ambient lighting with customizable colors enhances the interior atmosphere, making nighttime driving a more pleasant experience. The seats are designed for long-distance comfort, with options for heating, ventilation, and even massage functions in the front seats. Rear passengers also benefit from generous legroom and available climate controls, with 4-zone automatic climate control ensuring personalized comfort for all occupants. The panoramic glass sunroof is another highlight, allowing natural light to flood the interior and enhancing the sense of spaciousness. For audiophiles, the available premium Harman Kardon surround sound system delivers crystal-clear audio with powerful bass and rich sound staging, perfect for enjoying music or podcasts while on the road. Safety features in the 530i xDrive are comprehensive, reflecting BMW's commitment to driver and passenger protection. The model comes equipped with the BMW Driving Assistant package, which includes adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view of the car's surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier and safer. Parking Assistance Plus further simplifies parking by allowing the car to steer itself into parallel and perpendicular spots with minimal driver input. The exterior design of the 530i xDrive reflects BMW's modern styling language, characterized by sharp lines, a large kidney grille that gives the front fascia an aggressive stance, and sleek, slim LED headlights with signature daytime running lights. The bodywork is sculpted for aerodynamics, contributing not only to the car's sporty appearance but also to its fuel efficiency and high-speed stability. Buyers can opt for the M Sport package, which adds sportier exterior accents, larger wheels, up to 21 inches, and upgraded brakes and suspension components for enhanced performance and a more aggressive look. The fuel efficiency of the 530i xDrive is impressive given its power and size, with an estimated combined mileage of around 30 miles per gallon. This is largely thanks to the mild hybrid system, which helps the car reduce emissions and save fuel by recovering energy during braking and enabling the engine to shut off during coasting or idling. The vehicle also meets stringent emissions standards globally, making it an environmentally friendlier choice in the luxury sedan segment. In terms of pricing, the 2026 BMW 530i xDrive is expected to start at approximately $62,175 in the US market, placing it competitively among other premium midsize luxury sedans. Given its blend of performance, technology, and luxury features, it represents strong value for those looking for a high-end driving experience without moving into the higher-priced V8 or fully electric models. The model is anticipated to be available worldwide by early 2026, including markets such as Europe, North America, and parts of Asia like Pakistan. BMW dealerships will likely offer multiple customization options, allowing buyers to tailor the vehicle to their preferences, including paint colors, interior trims, wheel designs, and optional packages for technology, comfort, and performance. Overall, the BMW 530i xDrive, mild hybrid, 2026 is a sophisticated luxury sedan that skillfully balances driving excitement with everyday usability. Its advanced mild hybrid powertrain delivers responsive performance with improved fuel economy, while its all-wheel drive system ensures safety and control in varying conditions. Inside, the cabin combines elegant design with state-of-the-art technology, offering a connected, comfortable, and safe environment for driver and passengers alike. Whether commuting in the city, cruising on the highway, or tackling twisty roads, this model provides an engaging and refined experience that aligns with BMW's reputation for engineering excellence.